It is important to monitor the system's response time for each of the transaction during a set of period of time. This can be done by performing load testing. So basically load testing is a process which helps identifying maximum request a software system can handle. So, and it also raises attention to any problems in the application software and fix these bottlenecks before they create a big problem. So here we'll be using Apache JMeter, which is an open source software designed to load test the functional behavior and measure performances. So here is the test plan. Test plan, we can name it as, we can have a test plan for get request first. So naming it as get API test. Nextly, we can add a thread group, which is a set of thread executing the same scenarios, and it is essential to see how the stimulation is going to work. So it configures the stimulation, how the user interact with the application, how the load is maintained, and over what period of time. So let's say that there are 10 number of threads, 10 user which are going to access the get request simultaneously. Nextly, we can add a sampler as HTTP request. Protocol would be HTTP. Server is localhost. Port number is 8080 and path is. Next, we can add the graphs. We can see the results, graph results. Also, we can add the tree results. Parallelly, we'll be keeping an eye on the services, the console, which will show the triggering queries. Also, we'll be keeping an eye on Visual VM. It is a Java virtual machine monitoring, troubleshooting, and profiling tool. It is used for analyzing the CPU. So we're keeping an eye on the monitor as well. If we run this, we can see our HTTP response. Here there will be the changes in the CPU usage and heap dump. Also, we can see there are 10 queries that has been triggered as and when we run the JMeter. Now we can take like for 50 number of threads. We can see 50 queries has been created, has been triggered. Also, there is a change in the CPU usage. Taking a bit higher load. Running it once again. We can see more queries is triggered. And there is a change in this CPU. We can check the tree results, which are all working properly. Also, we can see the average sample and the number of samples request. We can see the graph which is generated. Similarly, The HTTP request for post put delete can be done for all these services.